Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to explore everything you need to know about earning money through YouTube Shorts. If you've ever wondered how creators are making money with short-form content on YouTube, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding of how YouTube Shorts monetization works, how you can start earning, and some creative strategies to maximize your income. Let's dive in. What are YouTube Shorts? And guess what? They can help you grow your channel much faster than regular videos if done right. First, let's briefly go over what YouTube Shorts are. YouTube Shorts are short, vertical videos that are 60 seconds or less. They are YouTube's answer to TikTok and Instagram Reels, designed to capture the attention of viewers in a short amount of time. Shorts are incredibly popular because they're quick, fun, and easy to consume. Show examples of YouTube Shorts playing on screen. Second, monetization models for YouTube Shorts. To qualify for IP, you need host. Now, let's get into how YouTube Shorts creators can earn money. There are multiple ways to make money from Shorts, and we'll explore all of them. YouTube Partner Program IP for Shorts creators. The first method is through the YouTube Partner Program. It's a $100 million fund, and creators are paid monthly based on their performance, even if they are not in the IP. If your shorts get views, and you're part of IP, you can earn ad revenue based on views and engagement. This fund is available to anyone, and YouTube selects creators who meet certain criteria, like engagement and creativity. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours on your channel in the last 12 months, or 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. Once you're in the IP, you'll earn money through ads, channel memberships, and super chats. YouTube Shorts Fund. Higher engagement signals to YouTube that your content is valuable, which helps it get pushed to more people. This directly impacts your earning potential because YouTube rewards creators with higher engagement by showing their content to a larger audience. YouTube launched the Shorts Fund as a way to reward creators for their engaging content. Ads in Shorts feed. YouTube also places ads between Shorts videos in the Shorts feed. Third, how views and engagement impact earnings. Participate in popular trends or challenges to increase the chances of your video going viral. Now, let's talk about views and engagement because these are the primary drivers for monetization. Views. The more views your shorts get, the higher your potential earnings. However, keep in mind that views alone are not enough. Engagement is equally important. It helps build momentum and keeps your audience coming back for more. Engagement. Engagement means likes, shares, comments, and interactions with your video. Display metrics showing views and engagement on a YouTube Shorts video. Fourth, optimizing Shorts for maximum earnings. To maximize your earnings from YouTube Shorts, you need to optimize your videos for engagement. Here are some tips. Focus on creativity and trends. Keep your shorts creative, fun, and engaging. Brands are looking to promote their products through YouTubers with engaged audiences. Post consistently. Posting frequently increases your chances of getting views. Optimize your titles and descriptions. While YouTube doesn't require detailed descriptions for shorts, a catchy title can attract viewers. Make sure to include keywords that are trending. You can also use YouTube's merch shelf to directly link to your products. Use hashtags. Use popular hashtags like #shorts to help your video appear in the Shorts feed and gain visibility. So let's break it down. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and interact with viewers. Building a community around your content can lead to more consistent views and engagement. Fifth, additional ways to monetize Shorts. If people engage with your video, it will get recommended to others. The more time they spend watching, the more likely YouTube is to push your video to other users. Besides YouTube's built-in monetization, there are additional ways to earn money from your shorts. Brand sponsorships. If viewers watch your shorts all the way through, YouTube will see it as high-quality content and recommend it to a wider audience. If you have a decent following, you can partner with brands for paid promotions. Affiliate marketing. You can promote affiliate products in your shorts and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique link. Here's how you can do it. Super chats and super stickers. While these are more commonly used during live streams, if you do live shorts or have a live feature on your channel, viewers can send money through super chats or super stickers. Merchandise. If you have merchandise, you can promote your products in your shorts. 6. Understanding the YouTube algorithm for shorts. Use this data to improve your content and strategy. One of the biggest factors affecting your earnings is how the YouTube algorithm works. YouTube's algorithm focuses on watch time, engagement, and audience retention. Make sure your content is advertiser-friendly and follows all rules. Watch time. This refers to how much time viewers spend watching your shorts. Engagement. By understanding the monetization models, optimizing your content for the algorithm, and exploring additional revenue streams, you can maximize your earnings. Likes, comments, and shares are huge for the algorithm. You could be the next big YouTube star. Audience retention. YouTube tracks how much of your video people actually watch. So, keep your videos engaging and make sure viewers want to watch until the end. 7. How to track your earnings host. Tracking your earnings is easy if you use YouTube Analytics. Go to YouTube Studio, click on the Analytics tab. Under Revenue, you can see your estimated revenue, and you can track the performance of your shorts. Keep a close eye on the performance of each video to understand what works and what doesn't. Section 8. Challenges and Common Mistakes. 3 Minutes Host. Even though YouTube Shorts offer a great opportunity for earning money, there are some challenges and common mistakes you should avoid. Demonetization. If you don't follow YouTube's community guidelines, your videos can get demonetized. Lack of consistency. If you're not posting consistently, your audience may lose interest, which will hurt your earnings. Not engaging with your audience. Ignoring comments or not interacting with your audience can reduce your chances of growing your channel and getting recommended. Conclusion. Host. To wrap things up, YouTube Shorts is a fantastic opportunity for creators to earn money. Remember, it's all about consistency, creativity, and engagement. So start creating amazing shorts, and who knows? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. See you in the next video.